Welcome back. If you like quick and clear Twilio tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Today, I'm going to show you how to send bulk SMS using Twilio Studio, all without writing complicated code. Start by logging into your Twilio Console and opening Twilio Studio. This visual tool lets you build communication workflows with simple drag and drop actions, making it perfect for bulk messaging. Create a new flow and give it a clear name to keep things organized. With your flow ready, drag in the split paste on widget. This is the key to sending messages to multiple recipients because it loops through your contact list one by one. Configure the widget to pull contacts from your source, whether it's an API, Google Sheet, or a database your system uses. Next, drag in the send message widget and connect it to the split. This is where you write your SMS content. Keep your message short, mobile friendly, and if possible personalize it using variables like the recipient's name to improve engagement. Now connect your contact data to the flow using either a webhook or an API. If you're technical and managing large lists, the API method is ideal. If you want something simpler, a webhook can smoothly send your contact info straight into the flow. Before sending your campaign to everyone, always test with a few numbers first to be sure everything works perfectly. And that's it. You've now set up a complete bulk SMS workflow through Twilio Studio, automated, scalable, and ready to go. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Twilio guides. I'll see you in the next one.